Hello there. Hello, hello. I'm going to be trying this Cin right here. It's a little pastry pie situation. I'm hoping it'll be good. It looks interesting. Alright, got it open. The crust is nice. Now let's try part of the filling. It looks like it has like an orange or a lemon on the packaging, so I'm not smelling any orange though. There we go. A little bit of citrus, but not very strong. And then nice vanilla cookie or biscuit, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, this is pretty good. I would actually get this again. If you have ever tried this product before, let me know what you thought of it. And if you haven't tried this product before, do you typically try new products, new snacky type of things? Or do you stick with what you know? I like trying the new stuff. I'll see if I can find this online. If I can, I will link it below. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.